It has come to my attention recently when pictures of the governor of Kakamega, Honorable Wycliffe Oparanya, consulting with the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency William Samuel Ruto. I've had the privilege of listening to some of the Luhya leaders castigating Oparanya. Some have been calling him, telling him that I took a wrong move to consult with the Deputy President, saying all manner of things. And I want to say this. Oparanya is a seasoned economic planner. This country was doing very well when Oparanya was Minister for Economic Planning. It is the meticulous planning that will assist the government implement tangible projects that can improve the life of the Kenyan people. Oparanya is a seasoned politician. Oparanya has been a member of parliament for very many years. He has been governor of Kakamega for 5 years. And he is a person whom we as the community will look forward to for advice, for direction, and even we read his body language. So I want to tell these very many people who have been saying that Oparanya is making a mistake by consulting, that they are very wrong, and where Oparanya sees economically in terms of planning, they will never see, even when they are standing on top of Mount Elgon. What ails this country is this notion of people reading too much when they see somebody, one Kenyan, consulting with the other Kenyan. Oparanya himself, the far he has come from being a civil servant to being a member of parliament, to being one of the, not one, being the best performing governor in this country. Himself is a product of consultation. So consultation improves the way someone looks at things. And we should not be quick to run and begin to crucify somebody who is doing consultation. I, together with Oparanya, we have met some 2 or 3 sitting presidents of some 3 African countries outside of this country. So I know Oparanya is one man who consults far and wide. And Kenya as a country, we went through the first step of self-rule when we chased the British from this country. We won the first war. The second war that we must win as a country is to go beyond these stupid myths that when you see somebody meeting another Kenyan, then you begin to read too much and you create hullabaloos that are neither here nor there. We want to see until we reach a level where you see even a judge of the High Court having tea with an MCA, having tea with a member of parliament, without us even reading too much, because we are members of the same society. We come from the same society. We have created a situation where even an investigator, when he goes somewhere to have tea, is looking around who is available. Because next day they will say, he was seen in a hotel with so-and-so, with so-and-so. We have created a situation where judges of the High Court and magistrates, when they go to have tea, even to do a supermarket, they are coy about whom they should shake hand with. Because the next day you will see a story on the newspaper. So that matter of Kenyans creating stories when 2 people are spotted in a hotel taking tea, consulting, is something which as a country we must overcome. If we do not overcome such things, then Kenya will continue to be where we are for very many years to come.